Hey there, Escambia County teachers, and welcome to another Byte of Tech with the Student Data Systems team. Today's topic, part 2 of our Rubric series. You're going to learn how to attach rubrics to assignments in Focus. So let's jump in and get started. Now, once you've navigated to the correct class and the assignment that you want to attach a rubric to, click the Rubric tab. From here, you see a drop-down menu that's going to house a bank of rubrics that you've created. Choose the right one for your assignment, and it's going to populate at the bottom. Click Save, and you're done. Now, to double check yourself, go back to your All tab. You're going to go to that assignment and you'll see that rubric icon. It's there and ready to use for grading. And that's how easy it is to attach a rubric to an assignment in Focus. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our recommended videos here on the side, as well as other videos in our Byte of Tech series. And also, click that subscribe button so you get our new content each and every week. And that is a Byte of Tech.